Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. I hope you're all doing well. So today we're going to show you a quick comparison of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra's health and Pixel Watch 3's health Fitbit. We're going to show you the morning brief for the Pixel Watch and we're going to show you the energy score of the Galaxy Watch Ultra, which is quite similar to the Pixel Watch as well, and show you the difference between both. So here we go.
Okay, so I have a morning brief on the Pixel Watch 3. This is the 45mm. And then I also will show the morning brief, or it's not morning brief, but there is a energy score on this watch as well, which is kind of similar to the morning brief on the Galaxy Watch Ultra. So let's look at this one first. So you get a little notification icon there that indicates you got a morning brief, and then to view it, you can tap on it, and so it'll tell you something about your readiness. So it's moderate readiness, and with your recent activity you're on the path to fitness gains. Keep it up. It's got a date and it's got a little morning brief, and then it's got some dots there indicating there's more pages, so there's more information. So let's check the next one. You can do that with your crown. So then the first one you get here is the readiness score. So you can see here readiness score saying 55, moderate, and then it's giving me a target of 22 to 41 cardio load. So we'll come to that one next, and then here it gives you a graph of like where readiness rating is. So it's 55. So it's not showing me about cardio load because I didn't do any exercise yesterday probably. But it's got the sleep one here, so it's saying 5 hours total sleep, 30 minutes awake, and it's got a score of 66, and it's saying it's fair. And then you have exercise information. So you've got 3 days, you've got this now finish strong. So you've got indicator of the 3 days, and then you've got 2 more days because I said 5 days. So then the next one is the weather, and it gives you good information about the weather for today, and then that's it. So all done. The morning brief here. So this is how you get a morning brief. So you don't have to do anything to get this. It automatically comes every morning, and then once you view it, if you wanted to go and see it again, let's just have a look, because morning brief isn't anywhere available. But if you go to your health, all your data, that screen, you can kind of see, although they're not in the same sort of brief page, you got all of them here. So you got the cardio. So this tells you cardio load 0 for today, and then it tells you the target 22 to 41, and then gives you all this information about what cardio load is. So yeah, if I have to exercise and I need to make sure that the cardio load, that score is between 22 to 41 in order for me to meet my target. That's here, it's indicating here. And then you have similarly you have the readiness score again, same thing. So, and it tells you what has impacted your score. So heart rate variability, and you've got things like past 2 weeks of sleep data, resting heart rate. Yeah, all of this combined gives you this rating. This kind of is telling you how ready you are for the morning, for the day, to do the exercise and things like that. And I think that's about it for that part. And then the rest of the stuff is all the other health related things like exercise time and all the sort of stuff, heart rate, resting heart rate, sleep, oxygen, and all sorts of things. So yeah, so that's on the Pixel Watch 3. On the Galaxy Watch Ultra, although like I said, it doesn't have a readiness score like some the Pixel does, like the Google's, but they have a different thing. And so let's just go to it quickly. So you usually have your health tile and everything. There is a tile like that I've got here for readiness. So here you can see the sleep scores and everything. So you got your sleep score. I'll actually just check that first. So 7 hours, and that seems about accurate actually. I think it's worth checking on the other one as well to see what the other one said. And this one scored 83% and it's saying good. The other one was Pixel Watch was saying fair. But this seems to me accurate because I did sleep at that time, I know. And then you got some data here with the graph, breakdown of sleep stages. We'll combine that with the other one and have a look, and all the other data. So the readiness score then. So here the readiness score is saying is 75. That's 5 down from yesterday. So yesterday my readiness score was 80. Today 75. And it's got a score of good. So let's see if you tap on it. So here's the score. It can give you a bit more information about what caused it to get that score. As you can see again, there's a little graph indicating how much you've done. The sleep time average is saying it's good. The factors basically that contributes to that score. Sleep time consistency is good. And then it says bedtime awake consistency excellent. So anything excellent is in blue. And then the other ones are in grey, and then We'll see another one. So sleep timing, excellent, it says. And then previous day activity says attention needed, and it's kind of in orange. That's because yesterday I didn't really do any actual workouts. It's worth quickly showing you the Pixel Watch Fitbit as well. Let me just get Fitbit. Because Pixel has Fitbit app, which when it loads, yeah. So you've got, this is what you've got on the Pixel Watch as well. So you can see your today's stats. Sleep duration, so daily readiness score. So let's quickly go there. So it's giving you more information, and you can view it by day, week, month, year. If we go there, you can see sort of the different scores, different days you get. So today is not a very good day, seems like. And then you go back, and then it's got the cardio load. You can see here. It gives you sort of a nice indicator as to what your cardio load is, your past 7 days training. This is good stuff if you really want to actually take advice and actually do something about your health, if that's what you want to do, because it gives you clear indicators as to what areas to improve. So it's telling you everything. I'm not going to read all of this. And again, you can view this by graphs like that. So you can see. And it gives you the various different days scores. And then you got the rest of the other stuff like exercise. And so all of the stuff that you saw on the watch in terms of the health breakdown, the daily the stuff I showed, it's all kind of here as well. But obviously here you'll have more information. So if you go to any of them, you can see more about it, and you can read some information about it as well sometimes. And also there's body response that's on the watch as well. So that's basically the Fitbit. One thing I did want to have a quick look at was the sleep here. Yeah, so the sleep, you can see what it's saying. So the other one was saying I slept at 11:49. This one's saying 2:26. And can you give that graphic and more information on the Samsung Health app? I noticed when I look at the sleep data. Let's go to sleep data. Oh, here, sleep score. So if you go here, you obviously get the whole days and weeks, all that kind of breakdown. Like, you can view here as well for every single health matrix. It's all there. Basically what I'm going to show you here, this is today's. If I tap on any area, obviously it'll give me a kind of breakdown of what's happening. It's quite a lot of information there. If you're really into all this stuff, it's really good. You can see why you have that score and how you slept and all that sort of stuff, like mental recovery. So there's a lot of breakdown. I wish some of this was actually on the watch. It'd be really good to get more information like this on the watch. But what I want to show here is this is from the Galaxy Watch, and it's got sleep 11:49 to 6:50. And then if you tap here, it tells you this data is from Fitbit, but there's no data. But if I go here, this data is from Fitbit. So you can compare, you can actually see the difference. For example, if this one is saying I fall asleep a bit here, and then I was awake a little bit, probably around, I don't know, 12, half 12-ish. With the Pixel Watch, this is the data from Pixel Watch, is saying I went to sleep at 2:26. I don't know if that doesn't seem accurate. I definitely wasn't up till that late. So I don't know. Some days the Galaxy Watch Ultra seems more accurate. Other days it seems like the Pixel. But today, definitely, this Galaxy Watch Ultra's information looks more accurate than definitely the Pixel Watch. I mean, I did not sleep at, 2:26. Wake time is fine. I did wake up at that sort of time. Yeah, you can see here at the bottom, it tells you data, where the data is taken from. So this is from Fitbit, which is pixels. And it doesn't say this one here, but it's got more information. That's because it's from the Galaxy Watch. So that's really all I wanted to show in this video regarding the few health features, not the whole lot, but just some new features that are useful and worth knowing how they work. So in the morning when we did the recording, there was a bit I couldn't show because I didn't have any exercise records when it came to showing the cardio load. So I've got that now. I just wanted to do a quick update. So I've done some workouts during the day, and the watch now has some information on the cardio load. Target was between 22 and 41, and I've hit that because I've got 41. And then it gives you a breakdown of what you did in order to achieve those cardio load. So you've got, as you can see, a strength training, and that gave me 16 cardio load. And then if I go into this, you can find some information about it, stuff like how many calories and all this stuff, heart rate and so on. And then the other one was that gave me 18 cardio load was the heat exercise. So that was for 12 minutes. So between 12 minutes and 16 minutes, I've got the cardio load. And then there was some other 7 cardio loads given for other activities, possibly walking and things like that. So that's done. And then you can see a little bit further down, you get a whole week's sort of graph here. Quite nice looking little graph. And it tells if you've been in range, which days, and if you're out of range, things like that. So you can see here on the right hand side, it's got the cardio load, I think. So 70, 35 and 0. And you can see on the graph how many sort of where you did. So I did about 40 minutes. So that's about where this one is. And then again, this just tells you what your focus of the fitness goal is on Fitbit. So you can change this to different things, like some people have weight loss, some people have better cardio fitness, things like that. So that's basically it. It was something I wanted to show as an update, the morning briefing that we did. And then the other things don't change, the readiness and all that. Obviously the steps, number of floors climbed and all that sort of updates. And you can see calories burnt and all that stuff showing achieved. Active zone minutes, so 48 minutes out of 30 for the day. So that's done more than it's supposed to. 4 days out of 5 hour exercise. So you can again see that each of the exercises got some sort of breakdown here. And then you can see a graph for the whole week. So you got one more day because I set for 5 days workouts. And then you have hourly activity, heart rate, and the rest is like the same. So that's it really, yeah. That's just a follow-up from the morning briefing that you get on the Pixel Watch 3.
Okay guys, so that's all for today. It was just a quick comparison of some of the health features of the 2 new watches, Galaxy Watch Ultra and the Pixel Watch 3. I hope you find it useful, and if you have, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing. If there's anything else you'd like us to cover, please comment down below and let us know. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.